Santa needs help this Christmas to deliver toys and items across the world. Since Santa is global, we're helping Santa go digital. Kyrie and I are helping Santa read letters of requests for toys, typing orders for the toys, and organizing routes. Santa is very thankful for our help. We are working with his other team members too. We have many orders for board games, This order Santa has is for 10 footballs. This order Santa has is for 6 bicycles.